desires to look good when they step out. Be it the classy or the simple dress style, we all love to add a bit of accessory to our fashion look. Vsafrique is the best place for all your fashion accessory needs. We make different types of fashion accessories ranging from Ankara necklaces, beaded necklaces, customized gowns, jackets and t-shirts, earrings and bangles, hairbands, hair clips and pins, different tie sets, lapel pins and brooches, turbans, bonnets, bags, notebooks, waist beads, anklets and bracelets. We also do revamping of old accessories and any other fashion accessory you can think of. We also offer trainings for all our fashion accessories, and these trainings are either online or offline for a period of 2 weeks to 1 year. Won't you love to hook up with us? You're only a call or a message away. We look forward to styling you.